Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpio. So let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be picking few cards from the other decks. So let us see what is coming up. Scorpios. Hangman. Page of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. King of Swords. Scorpios, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are in a very, what to say, very positive. You feel really positive about the way things are going with your professional life. Maybe in your work you are feeling really successful and you are feeling glorious about the turn of events, whatever it is, and you are making good profits, guys, in business, and you are really happy by whatever you have achieved till now. Maybe for some of you all, you may be applying for some kind of higher studies, or you may be thinking within yourself what you need to do in your future. You may apply for certain kinds of maybe something regarding your business, which you want to change, some kind of what to say, improvements that you are moving towards to in your business or work. You are striving really hard, guys. You are doing very hard work. That is also the energy here. And few of you all, you may be in authority in your situation, so you may be the leader of your team, or you may be a manager in your workplace, and you are having that power and authority to control certain decisions and control the people who work under you. Or maybe your person whom you are dealing with in this relationship, they may be someone with authority, or they may be someone in certain fields. They may be a lawyer or a senator, something that has to do with power or authority in society. So they may exert certain power over others, so they are in such a job. That may also be the energy here, Scorpios. And few of you all, you are, what to say, you feel you have to make certain sacrifices because you need to work things out in your life, in your professional life or in your personal life, in this relationship. So you have to make few sacrifices and you don't know what to do. That is also there. That energy is also there with these cards. So maybe you are not ready to make those sacrifices, guys. So that may be the reason that you are feeling some kind of stress in this relationship. You don't know what to do, what is your next step. So you are thinking within yourself what you need to do next, and you have not yet decided. That is also the energy here with these cards. But you are, what to say, happy to a certain extent with how things are going, but you are not entirely happy how things are turning out. Maybe for some of you all, you may get a news or message from somebody regarding something that may clear out certain areas that you were really stressed about. So things are going towards a positive what to say, state, guys. Though you have everything, you are stressed about few things, guys. That may be the energy here. And you are not decided about some things. So just like I said, you are just on the wall. You are thinking whether you have to face those trials or those sacrifices in order to get those things whatever you want to get in life, or in this relationship you don't want to sacrifice something, maybe your freedom, or maybe what to say, you don't want to give up certain things, so you are not ready to do that for this person, and you are thinking hard within yourself whether you have to do it or not, whether you want this relationship or not. So you are still in that decision taking decision phase, guys. So that is the energy. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. What is the energy? I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys, at last. So that will be the angels guidance for us today. Heart, fox, cross. With these cards, Scorpios, I feel maybe you are in this relationship with this person. Maybe you are not what to say, stepping forward in this relationship because of your past, maybe because in your past you would have met somebody who has cheated you and deceived you, so you do not want to repeat that again, and you are thinking within yourself whether this is absolutely necessary that you need to go through all that again. So you are not taking that firm step you need to take in this relationship. And maybe for some of you all in this relationship with this person, you feel whether it is necessary to take up the sacrifice or trials whatever you're facing. Sometimes it may be unnecessary, guys, but sometimes when it is destined, when it is there to improve your life's progress, it is unavoidable, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. Certain situations may be unavoidable, so you need to make a decision very quickly. That may be the energy here, guys. And few of you all may feel it is what to say, a karmic cycle, something that is destined, that is happening. So that is the reason this person is there, and that is the reason you feel you have to make so many sacrifices to be in this current situation. So maybe some of you all are turning to your faith, beliefs, whatever you are having, you are turning to that, guys. You are what to say, feeling that comfort and shelter. You are taking shelter in that faith. That may also be the energy here with these cards. So this may be love. You may have a great understanding, that compatibility may be there, compassion and love, passion, but still you are what to say, waiting. You are waiting for the right time because you do not want to face all the trials and sacrifices. So you are just what to say, waiting to decide on this relationship and to decide on this person whether you want to go forward with this relationship, guys. So let us see what is the angels guidance today, guys, for us. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys. It's an angel card. Scorpios, the energy with this card is that, guys, you are in the path to healing yourself emotionally, physically and spiritually. Maybe some of us will choose certain lifestyle habits to improve our health. Same way we have to do things that improve our emotional and spiritual state, guys. So if you are a person who loves meditation, you can do that, guys. Or if you love listening to some what to say, that music which you love, some kind of intentions, you can do that, guys. You can try that, whichever brings you peace and happiness, which will be very beneficial to us, to calm our minds and help in our physical and mental growth. So that is the energy with these cards, Scorpios. That is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.